Hey everyone, what's up? My name is Sandy. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with this affordable look. I kind of wanted to do like another glam look, but this look that I used with everything is so affordable and it came out so gorgeous. If you guys want to see this look, then keep on watching. So I'm going to start off with my Believe Beauty primer. I'm going to put this in the areas of my pores. I always like to do this first before I start doing anything with my eyes. I just feel like it gives it time and a chance for your primer to set in. Then I'm going to go in with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and I'm actually going to use this as the base for my eyes. And then I'm just going to blend it out with my sponge. I haven't found, well, you know what, I take that back. NYX has a primer for the eyelids, but I feel like sometimes that one gets a little, it doesn't dry as good, and I feel like your eyeshadows don't stick as well. So I haven't found another base that's drugstore or affordable. So if you guys know of any, if you guys can let me know so I can try it out. And as you guys know already, I don't like to set my eyelid with anything. I like to leave it like that because I feel like it gets more of a color. I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild 40 palette. This palette is so beautiful. It's kind of dirty because, of course, I've been playing with it. But look at how gorgeous these colors are. They're just so pretty, right? And it has like every single thing in here. And I actually don't know what look I'm going for, so I'm just going to kind of wing it and go for it. I wanted to use this glitter topper from Profusion. It's nice, pretty, so I'm going to try to find a color that matches that. I'm going to go in with this shade here as my transition color. And I'm going to take my NYX blending brush, and I'm just going to tap that in my crease. Always tap it in because I feel like if you tap it in, you get more pigmentation. And you can pack it on like intensely as like you want. And then once you have the color that you like, go ahead and just start blending out. I just do like circular motions. Once we have that all blended out, I'm going to go in with the shade, this one here. It doesn't have any names, so it's just like a, looks like a mauve kind of brown color. And I'm going to take my Wayne Goss 4 brush, it's like a little crease, and I'm just going to put that in my inner crease right here, the crease, the crack of your eye. Just tap it in and then start blending. I'm going to take this dark lit chocolate shade and put that in my inner crease, and I'm going to use the same Wayne Goss brush. And I am missing my nails. I took them off because one broke and then the other one came off when I was like cleaning and stuff. So I just took them all off. And then I'm actually going to go back with my NYX brush with no additional color, just to blend everything all out together. And if you even want to, I know you're not supposed to pull your eye, but just a little bit. Nothing forceful, and just kind of blend it all out. Once I have those shades on, I'm going to go in with a Profusion Sparkling Eye Topper, and this one is in the shade Glitz. This one kind of reminds me from Stila Cosmetics, the Bronze Belle shade. I have that one too, but I haven't tried this. This will be my first time applying it. So I'm not going to put any more colors. I have a hard time cutting my crease out with concealer. I'm going to buy the P. Louise base, and I'm going to try with that in practice because I really have a hard time. So I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to get this and just apply it on my eyes. So I'm just going to pull my eye down a little bit and just kind of brush it on and kind of go up a little bit, like into the crease. I'm just going to get a little bit more and just apply more because it didn't apply as pigmented as I thought it was going to be. Once we have the glitter on, I'm going to go ahead with these two shades. I'm going to mix them together And I'm going to use the Wayne Goss brush, again, the number 4. I'm just going to put it on the outer V of my eye, like right here. Just so we can blend that glitter out and kind of go up a little bit. I'm actually going to go in with this orangey shade right there. And I'm going to get my NYX blending brush. Just pick up a little bit and just kind of go on top here. So I'm actually going to go in with the topper again. And just kind of pack it on a little bit here. And then we'll grab the NYX blending brush and then just kind of blend everything together. So that's all we're going to do with that eye. And then I'm going to go with my Avon Ultra Luxury Eyeliner Pencil. This one's in black. And I just like to do my waterline, the top and the bottom. So what this does when you apply it on top, you guys, it sets it for the false eyelashes. So when you apply them, it looks dark, so they mix together. And then I'm just going to go in with my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. You guys know, my favorite. And just prep my eyelashes for the falsies. And the lashes that I'm going to be using today are the Kiss Lashes in 01. These are my favorite lashes. They're like so wispy and so easy to apply. So I went ahead and applied my eyelashes and finished my other eye. I'm going to go in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer. And I got the shade Medium Olive. And I'm actually going to put it under my eyes. But I'm going to let it sit there while I do my foundation. That way we can get more of a full coverage with the concealer. Then I'm going to go in with the NYX Born to Glow foundation, and I have the color Classic Tan. My skin has been acting crazy lately, you guys, because it's like dry. Like I have dry patches everywhere, even like on my freaking eyelids. And then I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. sponge as always, and I'm going to blend the foundation out. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend my concealer out with the same e.l.f. sponge. I don't know if you guys can tell, like it gives you like a fuller, like more coverage and looks better. The concealer does. And then I'm just going to cut my eyeshadow like I would normally do. So we can get it a sharp line. Because I feel like with the little paper things that e.l.f. sells, or like the tape, I can't get it right on my eyes. Like I feel like the eyeshadow is like crooked or something. Once I have that, I'm just going to blend it out so it looks all together with the foundation. And then I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild pressed powder, and I have the shade Warm Beige. And I'm going to take my MAC brush and just apply it all over my face so I can set the foundation. And then I didn't even tell you guys what I'm using for my eyebrows. I use the NYX pencil and the shade Brunette. I think it's a newer NYX one. I'll have to leave the name down below because I don't remember the exact name and I don't have it in front of me. But that's what I use. And then to set them, I use the Believe Beauty Clear Brow Gel. And then I'm going to go in with the Believe Beauty Translucent Setting Powder. And I'm going to set under my eyes. I'm actually going to take the e.l.f. sponge for this because I feel like it applies better. This under eye setting powder, you guys, is so freaking good. So I'm just going to kind of bake it for a little bit. And then I'm going to put a little bit on my forehead where it's shiny, and a little bit on my nose and on my chin. And then I'm going to go in with my Milani Silk Matte Bronzing Powder in the color Suntan. And I'm going to go in with the Kat Von D Shade and Light brush. And I'm going to take the angle side of the brush and just swirl it in there. And then I like to tap it in my skin first and then blend it out. I'm going to do my double chin here, my jawline, so it can be like more precise. Then I'm going to go ahead and remove the powder. I'm going to take my Sigma tapered highlighting brush, and this one is an F35, and I'm just going to dust it off. Do you see just how silky and like good it looks under my eyes? Like how it all came out? It looks bomb. I'm going to take the Morphe Blush Duo, and this one is in the shade Pop of Peach. And I'm actually going to go in with this one right here. I'm going to go back with my MAC brush and then just apply a little bit. I'm going with my Physicians Formula bronzer, and this one is in Champagne. And then I'm going to take my Sigma tapered brush again and then just put it here. This is just like so pretty. You guys see just like how that glows? And then I'm going to finish my eyes. So I'm going to take these two shades right here, and I'm going to blend them together, and I'm going to take my MAC 219. This one is a travel size one. It's a little smaller one. And then just put it under my eyes right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and do my lips. I'm going to take the Sephora Lip Cream, and this one is in the number 4. This one's like a nice berry color. Lastly, I'm going with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer Water to set my whole face. But this completes this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. This look came out very beautiful, and I used everything affordable products. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.